Hi students, welcome to all of you to this concepts and snippets session. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting and important chapter in plus 1, that is chemical thermodynamics. Chemical thermodynamics deals with the energy changes during a chemical reaction. The energy changes in a chemical reaction, it may be energy releasing processes called exothermic or energy absorbing processes called endothermic. Both exothermic and endothermic reactions, the energy changes are expressed in terms of a thermodynamic parameter called enthalpy. The change in enthalpy is delta H. If it is negative, that means it is heat releasing process or exothermic. When delta H has a positive sign, means energy is absorbed or the process is endothermic. Thermodynamics is basically based on human experience. It has 4 important laws, namely zeroth law, first law, second law, and the third law of thermodynamics. At the plus 1 level, we discuss mainly first and second law. These laws are applicable to matter in bulk. I repeat, thermodynamic laws are applicable to bulk properties of matter or for macroscopic objects, not for microscopic level, or thermodynamic laws are not applicable to atoms or molecules. These laws are applicable to matter in bulk. Secondly, in thermodynamics, we come across 3 types of systems. A system is any specified portion of the universe which is under our observation. For example, suppose you have an aquarium. You are watching the movement of a fish. So the fish in the aquarium is your system. You are observing the movement of the fish. So it is under your observation. Air is continuously getting bubbled and you are seeing the bubbles of air also. Okay. The rest of the portion of the aquarium is called the surrounding. Okay. So in thermodynamics also we have a system and the rest of the portion surrounding the system is called the surroundings. There is always direct or indirect interaction between the system and the surrounding. Remember, a system is separated from the surrounding by a real or imaginary boundary. Okay. So the boundary separates the system from surrounding. There are 3 types of systems in thermodynamics, namely an open system. A thermodynamic system is said to be open if there is exchange of both matter and energy with the surroundings. For example, hot coffee in an open tumbler. Okay, hot coffee in a glass tumbler which is open. So you see, water vapor evaporates because the system is open, and also along the glass walls, heat is exchanged. So a hot tea in an open glass tumbler is an example for open system, a system which can exchange both matter as well as energy with the surroundings. Second system is closed system. A thermodynamic system is said to be closed system if it exchanges only energy but not matter with the surrounding. You can say the same example, the hot tea in a closed tumbler. Here, water vapor cannot escape, but still heat can exchange. A third type of system is called isolated system. A thermodynamic system is said to be isolated if it neither exchange energy nor matter with the surroundings. Okay, you can imagine a best example for an isolated system. What is that? It is hot water in a closed thermoflask. Closed thermoflask, you are keeping the hot water. The walls of the thermoflask is a perfect insulator. So no heat can exchange, no energy exchange. Again, it is closed. So no matter exchange is possible. So in thermodynamics, we have three types of system: open system, closed system, and isolated system. Remember, there is always interaction between the system and the surrounding. Okay. So let us discuss our types of thermodynamic systems already explained. So the first one is called an open system. Okay. A system which can exchange both matter and energy with the surroundings. Okay, already we had explained this one. Second one is closed system. A system which can exchange only energy but not matter. And third one, as it is very clear from the word, isolated system. A system in which there is neither matter nor energy is exchanged with the surroundings. Okay, simple. It is the beginning of our thermodynamics. Now let us discuss a simple question. The question is, the universe belongs to which type of system? Universe is system plus surrounding. So nothing comes in, nothing goes out. So it is an isolated system. Okay. So universe is system plus surrounding. It is a completely isolated one because nothing comes in or nothing goes out. So it is an isolated system. Clear now? Yes. We will be doing more interesting and important questions in our other sessions. Thank you.